Welcome to FileMaker Grant Setup Demonstration. This demo will feature the active grant setup and its relationship to the payments and modifications layout. This example uses the HMI's grant for data input. From the HIF FileMaker server we have chosen the main menu. Select Supportive Housing Payments. The Payments and Modifications layout appears. Click on the Layout button to select another layout. Select the Layout Data Transfer, Active Grantee Setup. Notice that funding year is 1997 for the first grant record. Let's find just the records with 2016 funding. Click on the Find button. Enter 2016 in the field for program year funding. Then click the Perform Find button. Notice there are now only 449 records out of the total 7696 grants. The first record for 2016 is currently displayed. Drag the scroll bar all the way to the right in order to view the last grant entered. Notice the contract ID 16C449 matches the record number at top left of your screen. Let's create a new record for our grant setup. All fields are blank for you to enter the grant data for setup. The contract status is approved, so select Approved from the drop-down menu. Enter the organization number. The org number will populate the field to ensure you have the exact legal name for the organization. The correct legal name appears. You will need to have all of the required grant and budget information in order to complete the grant setup. You should be able to get this information from the Program Manager. You should now be able to copy and paste all of the information into the appropriate field. Copy program name and paste into the program name field. Enter other fields as required. Enter agreement date. Enter completion date. Enter program year funding. Continue. Enter funding code. Enter original budget amount. Continue. Program type is HMI's. Click on Assistance Type drop-down. Select Grant. Continue. Copy and paste HUD grant number. This would be a good time to see what goes into a HUD grant number. Continue. And continue. Now look at the right side of the layout to see what numbers were created in the awards. You might want to omit this record from DCA Project Awards Database Pad Transfer. Now that your grant setup is complete, select the new layout. Select Payments and Modifications. This layout displays reimbursements and contract modifications. Take some time to review this layout. And continue. And continue. Congratulations! You have completed your training for grant setup in FileMaker. This concludes the demonstration on grant setup. Thanks to Christy Walker for her guidance in grant setup with FileMaker.